Simac 2022, almost at the very end, so these are the last hours, still with a lot of activity at our BASF booth. I'm quite satisfied, a lot of discussions with the customers about what is the challenge of the industry, enormous challenges as we all know, but a lot of interest, a lot of creativity to work together. And what is looking in front of us, we need probably other kind of collaborations, we need other combinations, maybe classical PU, TPU with new materials like 3D printing, or combinations together with more sustainable materials. All these are discussions that we are doing with customers, and I can promise you we are working on this. We are working with our R&D teams, and I'm convinced that we will have good follow-up discussions at the next Simac, and we will be here in 2023. See you soon.
BASF. We create chemistry.